Hello, I'm Brett Savage, the Rewinder, and I kick it back through about 115 years of music for you. On my live shows, I have a request book that's almost 600 songs, and I'm just going to give you a really quick sample of about a half a dozen songs here, just so you can kind of get a feel for things. And we're all over the map, a lot of country, some classic rock, and everything in between. Anyway, here we go. On the road again, just can't wait to get on the road again. Life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. What do you say when it's over? Don't know if I should say anything at all. One day we're rolling in the clover. Next thing you know, we take the fall. You know I'm leaving here, better man, knowing you this way. Things I couldn't do before, now I think I can. And I'm leaving here, better man. All my exes live in Texas. Texas is the place I really love to be. But all my exes live in Texas. That's why I hang my hat in Tennessee. Drove a Chevy 211, but the levee was dry. Good old boys are drinking whiskey and rye, singing, this'll be the day that I die. This'll be the day that I die. Hey, did we go days when the rains came down in the hollow, playing a new game, laughing and running, hey, hey, skipping and a jumping in the misty morning fog with our hearts a-thumping with you, brown-eyed girl. You, my brown-eyed girl. Oh, Bubba shot the jukebox last night, said he play a sad song, made him cry. Went to his truck and got a 45. Bubba shot the jukebox last night. Riding on the city of New Orleans, Illinois Central, Monday morning rail. 15 cars and 15 restless riders, 3 conductors and 25 sacks of mail. All along the southbound Odyssey, train pulls out of Kankakee, rolls along past houses, farms, and fields. passing trains that have no names, the freight yards of the old black men, and the graveyards of the rusted automobiles. All right, thanks guys.